7,
7,
8. What is the middle most observation in the data? Middle most.
6,
6.
Very good.
6,
6. N plus 1 by 2 observation. N means 5 numbers. 5 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 2. This is equal to 3. Third number, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is equal to 3. 6. Okay?
yes,
Odd
sir.
number. It gives odd number. Then the formula is 1 plus 1 by 2 observation. Firstly, you are writing ascending or descending order. That is odd number. Odd number is n plus 1 by 2 to observation. So n is equal to 5 number. 5 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. That is your third number is median. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Please be noted.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, sir. Sir, 5 minutes again, sir.
Okay.
Sir, completed, sir.
Okay. All of you completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second, if n is even, median n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Example 11, 9, 17, 7, 5, 3. This is equal to write in ascending order. 3, 5, 7, 9,
9,
11,
11,
17.
11,
17.
17.
How many numbers? 1, 2, 3,
6, sir.
4, 5, 6.
6,
This is
sir.
equal to first n by 2. N by 2 means 6 by 2 is
6
equal
by
to
2.
3. N by
3.
2 plus 1. This is equal to 3 plus
7
1
by
is
2
equal
by
to 4. Third number and fourth number is median.
7
Okay?
and 9. Okay, sir.
7, 9. This is equal to average of median total by 2. 16 by 2. This is equal to 8. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Odd
sir.
number only one formula, that is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. If n is even, that n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th. That is two observation. Two observations average is median.
Completed, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay. Either even or either even or odd. Then firstly write in ascending or descending order. So n is odd. That median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. Then n is even. Median is n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. So then data is even. So two observations median, two observations average of median.
Okay. Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay, good. Ungrouped data of median. Tabular form. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Where L is equal to lower boundary of median class. N is equal to number of observations. Where CF is equal to cumulative frequency. F is equal to frequency of median class. And H is equal to class size. Okay. Median
Okay,
is
sir.
equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. CF is small letters. In examination of point of view, 2 marks sum that is equal to write the formula of our median, which is express each letter. L is equal lower boundary of median class. L is equal number of observations, that is equal to total frequencies. Number of observations means total frequencies. CF is equal to cumulative frequency. F is equal to frequency of median class. Ade model mode aithe frequency. F is equal to frequency of model class. H is equal to class size. Okay.
Sir, sir,
Okay,
ఇందాక
sir.
పేజ్ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
Okay, this one.
మీడియన్ ఫార్ములా రాశారు కదా సార్ అది.
Yes, median formula L is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F, that is equal to boundary of this one bracket inside into H, where L is equal to lower boundary of median class, n is equal to number of observations, CF is equal to cumulative frequency, F is equal to frequency of median class, H is equal to class size.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Complete,
Completed,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
1 minute.
Okay.
Completed.
Okay, good.
సార్
That yes.
ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా సార్ ఇది
Okay. Ungrouped data of median. Median is equal to L plus small l. L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. All letters are small letters. Okay. Write in only small letters. L is equal lower boundary of median class. N is equal number of observations, that is equal to sum of total number of frequencies. CF is equal to cumulative frequency. F is equal to frequency of median class, where H is equal to class size. Okay.
ఓకే సార్
Let us see the first problem of the page number 346. The following frequency distribution give the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of locality. Find the median, mean and mode for the data. Compare them. Find median. First, class interval. Secondly, compulsory frequency. This median is only finding only cumulative frequency, third term. Okay. AM direct method, AMR mean finding middle value XI and FIXI. Mode, no findings. Median only cumulative frequency. Okay. That is class interval is 65 to 85. 85 to 105. 105 to 125. 125 to 145. 145 to 165. 165 to 185. And 185 to 205. F is equal to 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, and 4. Compulsory table closing. Okay. This is equal to problem. Class interval and frequency. What cumulative frequency? Finding the cumulative frequency. First frequency is 4. Okay. Next, 4 plus 5. 9. 9 plus 13. 22. 22 plus 20.
2 plus 20.
42,
42
42 plus 14.
56,
56. 56 plus 8. That is equal to 64. 64 plus
64
4.
plus 4. 68.
68,
Okay. Number of observations 68 vaste. Okay. This is
Okay,
equal to
sir.
n total same 68. Okay. What is the highest frequency? Which is the
20.
highest frequency? 20.
68, sir.
20, sir.
20. Okay.
20 sir
68.
Highest frequency 20. Okay. This is equal to frequency of median class. Before presenting the cumulative frequency is CF. This is equal to average of L. This is equal to size H. Okay. L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Jagdish, mute lo pettu volume.
సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్ ఫస్ట్ నుండి.
Okay. First two of all problem CI and F. Given the only class interval and F. That is frequency. Class interval is 65 to 85, 85 to 105, etc. 185 to 205. F frequency 4, 5, 13, 20, etc. 4. Cumulative frequency. You finding the count the cumulative frequency. 4. First frequency is 4. Okay. Noted the 4. And 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 13, 20. Add cheskunta vella. To adding at next number. 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 14, 56. 56 plus 8, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. That is the median table. Which is largest or highest frequency? Highest frequency is only 20. So 20 is the frequency of median class. Cumulative frequency, that is the 22, preceding the cumulative frequency 22, and H means class size. Every two numbers difference 20. H is equal to 85 to 105, 105 to 125, etc. That this is equal lower boundary, upper boundary average. L is equal to 125, 125 average. Okay.
సార్ సిఎఫ్ చెప్పండి సార్, సిఎఫ్ అలాగ వచ్చింది.
This ida
CF sir, CF.
CF. This is equal CF. This CF.
సార్ క్లాస్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఉంది కదా సార్, అది అడుగుతున్నారు.
Cumulative frequency.
ఎస్ సార్.
Cumulative frequency first number 4. Okay.
అది కదా సార్ 22 సిఎఫ్ అన్నారు కదా సార్, అది
ida.
ఎస్ సార్ 22 సిఎఫ్ అన్నారు కదా పక్కన రాసి.
ఓకే ఓకే. CF అనేది ఇక్కడ మన హైయెస్ట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీకి ఒక రైట్ ది ఒక 1 లైన్, దాని ముందు ప్రిసీడింగ్ నంబర్, ప్రిసీడింగ్ క్యూములేటివ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ తీసుకోవాలి. CF డైరెక్ట్ CF ఇది అవదు. ఓకే.
ఎస్ సార్.
దీనికి ముందు ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ CF అవుతుంది, ఇది ఏమో ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ అవుతుంది. N is equal to 68. Number of observations or number of frequencies. Total sum number of frequencies.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute agandi, sir.
Okay. If any difficulty in the preparation of table, please arise.
Complete, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Okay, write the firstly data. L is equal to 125 plus 125 do. That is equal to 125. Number of observers N is equal to 68. N by 2 is equal to 68 by half. This is equal to 34. F is equal to and CF is equal to H is equal to 20. CF is equal to 22. F is equal to 20. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Find the median or mode or AM or mean. Anyone. Firstly, your preparation of table. Next, write the data. Thirdly, formula. Fourth, calculation. 4 parts dividing into four parts and equal marks. L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Is been noted. Lastly and fourth calculation.
Completed, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Yes. L plus 125 plus where N by 2
68 by
34
2, sir.
minus 22 by 20 into H. Okay, na? 125 plus 34 minus 22 to 12 by 20 into 20. 20 cancellation. 125 plus 12 is equal to 137. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Noted.
సార్
Yes.
ఒకసారి దీని ముందుది చెప్పరా సార్?
This one?
ఎస్ సార్.
According to the preparation of table, identify the each letter. That is equal L is equal to 125 to 125. This corner left to right తీసుకోవాలి, the average తీసుకోవాలి. 125 average 250 by 2, that is equal of 125. Where
Yes, sir.
N by 2, N means number of observations are sum of frequencies. 68. N by 2 means 68 of 34, where F is equal to median class highest frequency. Highest frequency is a frequency of median class, that is 20. CF preceding the cumulative frequency 22, and H means size, class size in either lower or either upper or lower boundary, anyone difference 20. Okay, that is equal to H. Substitute the values, all the values of formula of median. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. That is equal to
సార్ n by 2
125.
అన్నప్పుడు 68 by 2 వస్తుంది కదా సార్?
Yes, 68 by 2, that is equal to 34. Cancellation.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
You prepare N by 2, already prepare the N by 2. That is number is substituting directly. 125
Okay,
plus
sir.
N by 2. 1 by 2 means 34. Okay. Minus 22 by 20 into 20. 20 cancellation. 125 plus 34 minus 22, that is 12. This is equal to 137. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, sir. Completed, sir.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Yes. Come to, let us see the
సార్ ఒక
fourth.
సార్ పెట్టండి సార్, ఆ పేపర్ లాస్ట్ లో రాయలేదు.
Okay.
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్.
Yes. Let us see the fourth problem. It's the same page 346. class interval, frequency, and cumulative frequency, that is CF. 118 to 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144, 145 to 153, 154 to 162, 163 to 171, 170 to 180. Three, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, and 2. Okay. Finding the CF.
3.
3, sir.
3,
8, sir.
8,
3
3 plus 5.
sir.
8.
8 plus 9.
17, sir.
17 plus 12.
12.
29, sir. 29 plus 5.
29
34,
plus
sir.
5.
34, sir.
34, sir.
34 plus 4.
38, sir.
38 plus 2.
sir. 40, sir. 40, sir.
40, sir.
Okay. What is the which is the highest frequency?
12 sir.
12, sir.
12, sir.
12, sir.
What is 12? 12 is F. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
CF.
17, sir.
17,
Very
sir.
good. CF. Well, L. That is average of L. This is equal to H. N is equal to 40.
40, sir.
Okay. Okay, noted. Yes.
Complete, sir. Complete, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed sir.
Write data where L is equal to N is equal to CF is equal to F is equal to H. Where L is equal to average of 144 plus 145 by 2.
Sir, Jagdish. ఏమర్థం
4.5, sir.
Yes. What N is equal to 40. N by 2 is 40 by 2, 20. Where CF is equal to 17. And F is equal to
12.
12. H is equal to difference of class size.
9, sir.
135.
9.
130.
Size difference in lower boundary and upper boundary.
8,
Difference.
sir.
9. 118, 127 difference 9. 126, 135 difference 9. In each number difference 9.
Okay, sir.
Then median is equal to L plus n by 2
సార్ మీ వాయిస్
minus
క్లియర్ గా రావట్లేదు సార్.
median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay?
Okay,
సార్
sir.
ఎన్నో ఒకసారి చెప్పరా?
Yes. N is equal to total number of observations. These all the sum of frequency, number of frequencies total. 8 to 17, 19, 24, 28, 30. 0, 3 plus 1, 4, 40. N is equal to 40. N means total number of frequencies. Okay. N is equal to 40. Where n by 2 of 40 of 20. You directly substitute the n by 2, that is 20.
Okay, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute. Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Finally calculated. L. What L value?
సార్ ఒకసారి బ్యాక్ పెట్టండి సార్.
1/4. 144.
L value 144.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
144.5.
Plus n by 2. Directly substitute n by 2 20 minus CF 17
70
by F
by
12
12.
into 9. 144.5 plus 20 minus 17, 3 by 12 to 9. 144.5 plus 3 one time and 4 times. That is equal to 9 by 4. 144.5 plus dividing 9 by 4. 2 4 8. 1. 2 4 8. 20. 5 4. 2.25. That is equal to 144.5. 2.25. 5 7 6 4 1. 146.25. 75.
75.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Or 1 minute, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పరా?
Okay, sir.
L is equal to substitute the value directly 144.5 plus n by 2. Where n is equal to 40, n by 2 that is half 20 minus CF 17 by F 12 into H 9. 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 3 by 12 into 9. 3 table 1 time and 4th table cancellation. 144.5 plus 1 into 9, 9 by 4. 144.5 plus 9 dividing 4. Division 2 4 8. Plus is the 1.248. 25 4 20. So 2.25. That is equal to 144.5 plus 2.25. That is equal to 146.75.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Yes. Come to, let us see the second one. Second problem. If the median of 60 observations given below is 28.5.
Sir, page number
Values
140, sir. 346, sir.
340.
yes, sorry, 346.
తీసుకోలేవా?
Sorry, 346 page. Find the values of x and y. Okay, table. Class interval, frequency, lastly cumulative frequency. Zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. 5,
8.
x, 20, 15, y, 5. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Which is the largest value of frequency?
20, sir.
20, sir.
20.
This is equal to, okay, cumulative frequency.
Yes, sir.
5, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. 5.
5, 5x.
5 plus x.
yes, x plus 5, okay, and x plus 25. Only adding numbering.
Okay.
X plus
Okay.
40, x plus y plus 40, x plus y plus 45. Okay,
No, sir. మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి, sir.
5. Adding x, only x plus 5. This is equal to variable, this is equal to constant. Adding, that is x plus 5, that's all. No
Yes, sir.
5x. X plus 5 and 20. X is variable. Numbering, totaling, adding. Y plus 20, 25. X plus 25 plus 15, 40. X plus y plus 40. X plus y plus 40 plus 5. X plus y plus 45. This is equal to F. This is equal to CF. Where N is equal to this one. X plus y plus 45. This is equal to difference H. This is equal to L.
20.
Okay, sir.
Please observe the table carefully. If any doubt,
No, sir.
Sir, cumulative frequency of sir చెప్పరా sir?
yes, cumulative frequency, first frequency is 5. Okay. Next, adding with 5, x plus 5. Numbering directly, numbering a total direct చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడైతే x యాడ్ చేయాలి. 5 plus 6. X plus 5, 20 adding x plus, only numbering adding 25, 20 plus 5, 25. X plus 25 plus 15, 40. X plus 40. This one, x plus y plus 40. x plus y plus 45 adding x plus y plus 45. That is the number of observations. That is sum of frequencies.
Yes, sir. Complete, sir.
It completed, sir.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Yes. Okay, write the data. Where L is equal to
20.
L is equal to 20. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Where n by 2
Plus
is
20.
equal to n by 2. N is equal to
X plus n is equal to x plus y plus 45, sir.
x plus y plus 45. That is equal to n by 2 is equal to x plus y plus 45 by 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Where CF is equal to
X plus 5.
Plus 5.
okay. F is equal to
20.
20, sir.
H is equal to class size.
10, sir.
10, sir.
Very good. It is given that n is equal to direct problem. It is given that n is equal to 60. Okay. But n is equal to x plus y plus 45 is equal to 60. X plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. That is equal to 15. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 15. This is equal to first equation. Okay.
I want, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
If the median of 60 observers, that is equal to n. N is
Yes,
equal to
sir.
60. It is given that 60. So, x plus y plus 45 is equal to 60. X
Yes, sir.
plus y is equal to 60 minus 45, that is equal to 15. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 15, that is equal to first equation.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
First page पर
Mujira,
చెప్పండి.
noted?
Noted, sir.
Okay. The given median is according to problem 28.5. Using the formula L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, where L is equal to 20.
20, sir.
Yes, median is equal to this one, but median is equal to 28.5. L is equal to 20 plus n by 2, where n is equal to 60. N by 2 is 30. Okay. 30 minus CF x plus 5 by F 20 into
10.
H. One or two above numbers adding in compulsory using bracket. Okay. Minus x plus y compulsory using bracket. 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 30 minus x minus 5 by 20 into 10. 10 cancellation 2 times. This is equal to 20 plus 30 minus 5, 25 minus x by 2.
Completed, sir.
Yes,
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
yes.
సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా సార్?
Hmm?
Okay, sir. Completed, sir.
సార్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా?
Yes. The given median is 28.5. Using the formula, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, where L is equal to, according to data, 20 plus median is equal to 28.5 is equal to L 20 plus, where n by 2, n means 60 observations, so n by 2 is equal to 30. You taken this number, n is equal to 30 is not taken. Okay. N is equal to 30 and CF is equal to, according to table, x plus 5. F is equal to, according to table, 20 highest frequency, and H class size 10. This
10,
one. It is yes. Using the formula, 28.5 is equal to 20 plus n by 2 means 30 minus x plus 5 using the compulsory bracket, because firstly minus 2 times adding with variable, so compulsory using bracket. 30 minus of x plus 5 by 20 into 10. 10 20 lo 2 times cancellation. 20 plus 30 minus into x minus x minus into plus minus 5. 20 plus 30 minus 5. This is equal to 25 minus x by 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
ఓకే సార్.
Completed, sir.
Yes. Okay, 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 25 minus x by 2. This is equal to LCM. Take an LCM 2. 2 times 20 into 2 plus 25 minus x. This is equal to 40 plus 25 minus x by 2. This is equal to 28.5. 28.5 into 2 equal to 40 plus 25, 65 minus x. 10, 7, 5, 0 cancel. 65 minus x. Therefore, x is equal to 65 minus 57. That is equal to 8.
సార్
Yes.
ఒకసారి లాస్ట్ చెప్పండి సార్
28. Yes, 28.5 is equal to 20 into 2, 40 plus 25 minus x. 28.5 into ఈ 2 డినామినేటర్లో ఉన్నది మల్టిప్లికేషన్ క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే 2 28.5 సైడ్ 28.5 into 2 equal to 25 65 minus x. 28.5 into 2 is equal to 57. 0 cancellation. No value. This is equal to 65 minus x. Where x is equal to 65 minus 57, that is equal to 8.
ఓకే సార్
Sir, complete, sir.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Yes. But x plus y is equal to first equation.
15 సార్
Yes. Substitute the value of x is equal to x plus y is 15. But x plus y is equal to
x is equal to 8, sir.
8 plus y is equal to
substitute 8 plus 5 is equal to 5. Y is equal to
5.
8 plus 5, sir.
minus 3.
-3.
Yes.
15 x plus y is equal to
X plus y is equal to 15. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes.
సార్ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్
Is equal to 7 and 8, sir.
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Jagdish, mic off, see.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, videos on చేయండి మొత్తం. హేమంత్, శ్రీహర్ష, భావన, అలిక్య, భరత్, సత్య, ముజీరా, శృతి, Kranti, Maunish, Navya, Balaji, Dhanush, Harini. Shruti, Mujira, Kranti, Satya, Bharat, Alekia, yes also, okay. Sriharsha. మొన్న 2 days బ్యాక్ మీకు మీన్ అండ్ మోడ్ మీద ఎనీ 2 sums and సాయిల్స్ మీకు ఇచ్చాను హోంవర్క్ చేయమన్నా
Yes, sir.
కొంతమంది సబ్మిట్ చేశారు మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఎవరో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయలే
Yes, sir. Chief.
lack of practice no benefit no use ఓకే
Okay, sir.
కంపల్సరీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి ఈ రోజు జరిగిన క్లాస్ మరలా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటే గాని రాదు
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే yes పేజ్ నెంబర్ 347 6th one 7th one median
Homework.
according to the data median finding mean median 6th and 7th in page number 347
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
okay Alekia
Sir,
వీడియో దగ్గర ఒకసారి ఇది స్క్రీన్ మీద చదువు
okay, sir. L is equal to 20 plus 20 by 2 is equal to 20. N is equal to x plus y plus 45. N by 2 is equal to x plus y plus 45 by 2. CF is equal to x plus 5. F is equal to 20. H is equal to 10. If is given that N is equal to 60, N by 2 is equal to, sorry sir, if
30.
is given that x plus y plus 45 is equal to 60, x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45 is equal to 15. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 15. This is first equation. X plus y is equal to 15. 8 plus y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 8. Y is equal to 7.
వెరీ గుడ్
Thank you, sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ హేమంత్ మౌనిష్
Sir.
రీడ్
L is equals to 20 plus 20 by 2 equals to 2. N is equals to x plus y plus 45. Therefore, n by 2 is equals to x plus y plus 45 by 2. Therefore, CF is equals to x plus 5. Y is equals F is equals to 20. H is equals to 10. If is given that n is equals to 60, n by 2 is equals to 30. X plus y plus 45 is equals to 60. X plus y is equals to 60 minus 45 is equals to 15. Therefore, x plus y is equals to 15. 8 plus y is equals to 15. Y is equals to 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 8. Y is equals to 7.
ఎస్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఫోటోస్ సార్ వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేయండి క్రాంతి ముజీరా Mujira. Okay. All the students, please listen carefully. Page number 347 in the 6th and 7th Romans according to the median. Page 347, 6th and 7th. నేను గ్రూప్ లో ఫామ్ పంపిస్తాను, అవి రెండు ఫార్ములాస్ చూసుకోండి. ఫైండ్ మీడియన్. ఓకే
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్.
Okay, sir.
నెక్స్ట్ మీరు గ్రూప్ లోకి లైవ్ లోకి వచ్చినప్పుడు లైవ్ తర్వాత గ్రూప్ లో కానీ లైవ్ లో కానీ చాటింగ్ కానీ మెసేజెస్ కానీ చేసినట్లయితే మరలా మీరు సివియర్ గా ఉంటుంది యాక్షన్. ఓకే.
Okay, sir.
నో చాటింగ్ అండ్ నో మెసేజెస్ ఇన్ లైవ్ క్లాస్. కంప్లైంట్స్
sir.
వస్తున్నాయి, పేరెంట్స్ నుంచి కంప్లైంట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, మీరు చాటింగ్ కానీ మెసేజెస్ కానీ చేయకండి. ఓకే.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Bharat. Good morning, Ra.